The one thing though, I feel like the transition shades, when I sit down to record, they decided to bring down a building. Hey, what's up guys? This is me Shanti and you're watching me on my YouTube channel The Layer V. Watching me in this video for the first time, hi, hello, my name is Shanti and I'm from Singapore. If you like to watch makeup tutorials and product reviews, then all you have to do is just click on the subscribe button right down this video that says subscribe, and don't forget to smash on the bell icon next to it just so that you'll be updated and notified whenever new videos like this go up on my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review on the Zoeva's Cocoa Blend Palette, and if you have been thinking or wondering if you should get your palette, you have to watch this full review all the way to the end. Closer to the end of 2018, I had decided to pick up on the Zoeva's Cocoa Blend kit, and it actually comes with 4 products. It comes with the Cocoa Blend eyeshadow palette that looks like this, and it also has a face palette as well as a Pure Below liquid lips, which is a liquid lipstick type of lip product, and also a graphic pencil. So basically the eyeshadow palette by itself costs around $39 and the face palette would cost you around $26, as well as the graphic lip pencil is about $13 or so, and the liquid lipstick, which is called a Pure Below, is around $22, $23 or so. So this Cocoa Blend palette had actually all of these 4 products at the price of $70 if I'm not wrong. A bigger discount has been placed on the Zoeva Cocoa Blends palette as of today, and today is the 4th of January, and if you're really keen on buying the product, I believe now will be a great time to buy at just $56 for all. You're actually getting a good value for all of these 4 products that covers your eyes, your face, as well as your lips, so go for it for just $56. You can't resist this deal at all. So now let's go into the Cocoa Blend eyeshadow palette. Basically it contains 10 shadows and it contains about 1.5 gram, which is equivalent to 0.05 ounces. And what I do like about the eyeshadow blend palette in particular is that I've not really been a person who had gravitated to Zoeva when it comes to their eyeshadow palettes. I do love their brushes, however most of my face and eye brushes are actually from the brand Zoeva, which is a German brand. So the Cocoa Blend palette actually looks like this, 10 gorgeous shades, and I believe there are 3 matte shadows that actually works well. I would say that these colors are so nicely pigmented and they are perfect for working professionals or students if you're allowed to wear makeup but of a neutral undertone. I feel like this would be an amazing palette to work with for an everyday eyeshadow look, and you can actually take it from a casual coffee date to almost like a wedding guest makeup going on right here, and it has a lot of versatility. If you're keen to find out the swatches of the Zoeva's Cocoa Blend eyeshadow palette, which I highly suggest that you do, you can check out my blog at www.thelayerv.blogspot.com for a lot more pictures and information about this product. And one thing that I've noticed whenever I pick this palette up, I'm kind of excited to see where it kind of brings me. So I feel like this is a great brow bone highlight, and I do have interest for these 2 transition shades that's like a very warm tone. What I also enjoy is that the cool and warm tone shadows, they work side by side and they really contrast and balance out the colors even if you were to place them in any order. What's on my eye today is actually from this palette. I have on the brow bone highlight as well as these 2 shades for my transition, and I do have a little bit of the dark brown. It almost leans to a tiny bit of black, but it has a lot of grey, charcoal grey type of undertone, almost like a very rusty brown that's almost like a very tinted grey kind of color, which is great. Not your everyday typical black, but it can still pull through. This shade of gold is just to die for. It's like pure richness. It's like such a beautiful shade on the lids. You can actually wear this by itself for an overall wash of color on your eyelids, although I would recommend a little bit of crease definition. I could go with just these 3 colors on an everyday basis and just keep the whole mobile lid, because that's something that I like. I've actually used this color on my lid during the first impression and I am loving it. This is also another unique shade that is like a black undertone, but it has like gold and green sparkles in it. So if you can work this color onto your mobile lid like a very black smoky eye with a dark brown or even a black base, this would look really beautiful. Overall, this palette excites me to the max. It really brought me back a lot of memories because I'm someone who loves natural looking everyday type of colors, and this Cocoa Blend palette is just that. Whenever I'm working with the eyeshadow palette from this Cocoa Blend palette with any of their Zoeva's brushes, I'm happy to report that they blend with ease and they're so smooth and highly pigmented, satisfyingly pigmented. I have to put this out there. And after getting my hands on this Zoeva Cocoa Blends palette, I am really considering getting myself a few more palettes from the Zoeva collection of eyeshadows, because typically when I do get makeup clients, they usually want to see a lot of ABH, Anastasia Beverly Hills or Urban Decay eyeshadow palettes. I don't think that they are aware that even Zoeva does really good eyeshadow palettes. Overall, I would say that this is great value for money. So if you're still considering and on the fence about getting the Zoeva Cocoa Blends palette, I highly suggest that you go for it and you will not be disappointed. If you're someone who's looking for an everyday natural color palette, color theme, color story, this would definitely be the one for you. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoy watching this very short, snappy review on the Zoeva Cocoa Blends eyeshadow palette. And don't forget to share this video with someone who you know is a huge eyeshadow palette junkie like I am. I appreciate your sharing, and if you're not subscribed already, please consider doing so. All you have to do is just click on the subscribe button right down this video. Make sure to smash the bell icon just so that you will be updated and notified whenever new videos like this go up on my channel. And I shall catch you very soon in my next week's video. Bye guys!